Hello everybody, Navy Vet 76 out at the range again with my 8x58R Swede Remington rolling block. Today I'm trying a reload with cast bullets. We'll see how these do. My load is H4198, 26 grains, CCI primer. Overall length is 3.085. I got a cotton ball on the top of the powder, and it's a cast round nose 316 grain gas check bullet. We're using the phone today. I didn't bring my other camera. And I have a new chronograph set up here. It's raining out here. We've got low light conditions. I do not know if this chronograph is going to pick up speed. So we'll see how it goes. (1,409 feet per second). Misfire. Try it again. (1,472 feet per second). (1,419 feet per second). (1,451 feet per second). (1,330 feet per second). All right, that's a start load, 5 rounds. We'll pause this and check it out. There's my first 5 with this new load. Grouping is really good. Of course, with cast loads and you're using a reduced charge, I need to bring the elevation up. Right now I'm just using the battle sights to get an idea where the elevation is. The grouping is really good, so let's just play with the elevation. I need to bump the powder charge up a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. I made these bullets from, I believe they're supposed to be 200 grain bullets for the Hungarian M95. They drop at about 330 thousandths diameter. I run them through the the Lyman lubricizer, and took them down to 325 thousandths diameter. So I'm going to run 5 more. I got some liquid A-locks coming. I'm going to try that next. I don't know if I'm going to get any leading with this or not, but we'll see. Bring the elevation up to what does that say? 500 yards or meters, I guess. Let's see what kind of elevation we get there. That one was 1,536 feet per second. Now I'm using a cotton ball in here, and what I've noticed it does is it doesn't blow back when I fire them. I used it in the LaBelle cartridge, and I did a couple without the cotton ball filler in there, and I got blowback. With the cotton ball filler in there was no blowback. And I don't know, it just seems to work. $14.82. $13.84. I should be writing these down. I don't know why I'm not. Better do that. I need to keep a record. So. $14.54. Obviously there's not enough pressure to really cause any problems with the cases. A little bit of carbon on the neck. $14.68. All right, I'm going to look down range and see where my elevation is. Huh, awesome. We're right on target. I'm going to shoot the rest of these up and then move on to the test loads I have for the Berthier and 8mm LaBelle. $14.52. $15.70. Oh, misfire. I think my headspace is a little bit off on these. All I'm doing is neck sizing, so the cases should expand and eventually they'll fit the chamber better. Sometimes I forget to put powder in, so it could be that too. We'll see. Nope, just a light strike. $15.51. $15.44. Now this is speeding up a little bit. I wonder if the barrel heating up is making it speed up a little bit. $15.55. Barrel's hot. $15.18. $15.11. $14.58.
Now, with the rain off and on, you pull your wagon up underneath the overhang, and either put your gear up on the fences up there or leave it in the wagon so it don't get wet. Okay? This has been off and on all morning here.
$15.66. I like shooting these mild loads. These rolling blocks. It's less wear and tear on the action. And $15.20, and that's all of them. I'll go do the math when I get home. See what we got. All right, I'm going to pause this and we'll go down range and look. Well, there you are. Not bad for a really old rifle. Really happy with that. All right, let's move on to something else.